guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Oona from Sofia the First, the mermaid episode on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for one item. If you don't want to use it, you can, I guess, try using like a skirt instead. Oh my gosh, sorry. I'm just going to remove, let's see, this one, and then I might just leave the rest. Okay, for the hair, I used this in, oh, shouldn't have probably moved that, in like a blonde yellowish color. Maybe this one, FFCD82. And then for the updo, I used this one in that same color. For the top, I just use this in, hold on, let me see the reference, in this color. I think I might add silk to it actually. And then the straps in the skin color in matte, and then this in a silk color. Then for the tail, I'm going to use this mermaid tail, the plain one, in this orange color, and then the rest in this green color similar to this one. And then for the bracelet, I'm just going to use this one in this color. For the necklace, I use this in the second toggle in this color. I think I might make it matte and actually a little bit darker. And then for the crown, I didn't use any VIP items. I used this one, and it's 7EE1D5, no adjustments made, in the second toggle, of course. And then I used the Style Showdown one. I think I'm just going to adjust it a little bit so it's behind. And then position the Y 0.56, Z 0.52, and scale it to 0.38 in that same color. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.